Okay, so Auntie Ama is my mom. And yeah, I am my me would I am boni dino tracks in pa my no. Yeah, Auntie Ama. So this song is actually talking about conversations between me and my mom. My mom is the type that will worry about everything, anything. The way I drive, the anything. Kofi ma catch your speed here ko you. Only Mr. Impo me bedu fio. Me the flight upon me the be say mo speed. Plane so nyame no muchu. Oh no, I mean, he worries about me a lot, and I think because I'm her last born, up to now, I feel that I'm not capable enough. I need some guidance every day. Edida, I did at some. So the song is actually talking about some of the conversations that we used to have, me and my mom. She'll be telling me about the fact that if I keep on worrying her and she dies, I will suffer. Nobody will take care of me. Yeah, that's what she's talking about. I mean, Kofi, you did this, we'll do this, you didn't do it, I will die and nobody will take care of you. Sometimes she will be like, Kofi, that could ever be a Dennis she will leave me, she will run and leave me behind because I'm worrying her. Those things. Now they be every day you are fighting, with people. Can't you have friends? I mean, can't you be cool with your friends? Me and papa. I couldn't be in your case. It's actually talking about me and my mom, the things that she used to tell me. I mean, I should take good care of myself. If I don't do that and she dies, I will suffer, I will do this. This I'm really chilly. Right, I'm chilling. You see, it's this is Auntie Ama, and we think and so in some way. I mean, that is it. I hope it's enough.
All right, so please pick your headset, and this you see a turn on and off button. Kindly long press it, and it will turn on. Long press it, and it will turn on. So we are all going to listen to Auntie Ama. So DJ Page, we are ready.